This video, I'll be talking about two products from iBlockcube. First is the iBlockcube Universal Power Strip extension, which is currently being sold in Amazon UK at £21.99. And this is the kind of power strip that I'm currently looking for right now. And you would know you're buying a great product based on how it is being packed. It has 6 power outlets with 4 intelligent USB charging ports. All the USB ports can detect what amp the charging device has required and will charge in the most efficient way. It also has a main switch to power on or off the whole power strip. The cable and the case are well made with high-end materials and fireproof plastic. It only weighs 0.56 grams. It's compact, so it's very easy for you to bring while you travel. And for the next product from iBlockcube is this travel adapter. And someday when all of this is over and we can travel again, this is the very first thing that I'm going to pack. This travel power adapter covers over 150 plus countries. It has a built-in 8 amp fuse, 4 USB ports with a built-in smart IC chip, intelligently recognizes your device and transmit the maximum current. Let your devices charge quickly in a short time. There's an LED light on the power adapter that can show the charging status. There's also a Type-C that can deliver up to 18 watts for laptops and up to 15 watts for smartphones. The worldwide voltage is compatible between 100 to 240 volts. And the universal 8-pin AC socket allows the use of many different plug designs in different countries. This is so compact and light, it's only 170 grams. Definitely this is one thing that you don't want to miss while packing. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you on the next video.